뭐?
As a working mom of two boys, I'm constantly looking for a ways to decrease the cooking time in the kitchen. Making a holiday dinner is no exception. If you're on the same boat, I think we got the solution in today's video. I'll show you how to throw an easy and epic sushi party in the form of plant-based cooking. Even if you are not vegan, just like my husband and kids, they surprisingly enjoyed it. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to build the individual sushi wrap, where it's the key part of this video, so please stay tuned.
おいしい
Brief thank you at Tipsy for partnering with us on today's video. I'll chat more about that later, but for now, let's get cooking.
あーおーおいしいすごい飲みやすいあだカーってくるね
First, we are starting by making sushi rice. To the mixing bowl, add salt, sugar, and rice vinegar. I recommend rice vinegar, but you can use apple cider vinegar too. Mix it until the sugar and salt are dissolved. Rinse the Japanese sushi sticky rice and drain the water a couple of times. Soak the rice in water for 1 hour. Cook it in the rice cooker. I did equal parts of water and rice. If your rice turns out to be a bit more dry than usual, you are on the right track. We're gonna drizzle the vinegar mixture so that the rice should not be too mushy at this point. If you want to know how to make rice in a pot, watch another video linked in the description box. When the rice is still steaming hot, drizzle vinegar mixture over the rice, then mix. It is important that the rice is still very hot so that the vinegar will penetrate into the rice grain.
おありがとうありがとう上手上手あみんなもっとパタパタしてそうちゃんが今落ちそうになったね大丈夫ダダンってなったねはいおいでおいでおいでおいでおいで頑張って頑張って頑張って頑張って頑張って頑張って
Get your family, friends into the action. It's such a fun activity for the holidays. When the rice is cooled, cover it with a kitchen cloth. It will prevent the rice from getting dry. All we have left is chopping your fillings or toppings, whatever you say. It really could be anything, but today I'd like to share my favorites. Shred carrot thinly.
どうすればいいのめっちゃ人参見てるよ怖いから怖いよこれ怖い
Sprinkle some salt and massage them until the carrot starts to sweat. Let it sit for 10 minutes. By the way, exact measurement will be listed on my blog. The link is in the description box below. Next, we have cucumbers. Cut cucumber into the pinky size. Some people remove the seeds to keep the crunchy texture, but it's up to you. Chop red bell pepper about the same size as cucumber.
そう私じゃないよ自分でしょ嘘でしょ今いい音入ってたのにおならしちゃダメよ、まあ、
Sorry about that. Back to sushi making. Remove the bottom of radish sprouts or broccoli sprout. I love its peppery taste. We cannot complete without avocado. You could just slice it. It's still gonna be very good in sushi, but today I'll make some paste. Mash it with a fork, then add lemon juice, wasabi paste, and soy sauce. I probably added half teaspoon for each. Please follow your own taste of preference. When we assemble everything together on the nori seaweed, avocado acts such an important role. Nothing other than avocado can compensate for the creamy, rich taste and texture, which reminds me of sashimi, so it is must have in my opinion. By the time the carrot is ready, squeeze the moisture as much as possible, then transfer to the bowl. I also blanched bean sprout just for a few seconds, drain and let them cool. Add into the bowl and drizzle 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, followed by 1 teaspoon of ground toasted sesame seeds. For the protein sources, I have a Japanese tofu scramble. I already shared this recipe a long time ago, but let me go over it quickly. Into the pan, add oil. In goes finely chopped carrot and leek. Cook it until it's slightly softened. Crumble firm tofu to the pan. Make sure to remove the liquid from the tofu before adding into the pan. Season it with the sugar, mirin, soy sauce, and comstock powder. Add cooked soybeans or alternatively chickpeas. I also added frozen edamame, but it's optional. Stir them continuously until all the liquid is evaporated. And that's it. This is perfect for meal prep and bento boxes. For kids, I quickly mixed vegan mayo together with the canned corn. It's better to drain the liquid in the can before you combine it with mayo. I just did 3 tablespoons of corn and 1 tablespoon of mayo. Lastly, cut 1 sheet of nori seaweed into the quarters. You can cut as many as you want. いい音。It's a holiday, so let's open up some bottle of sake, which is a traditional Japanese liquor. What kind of drink do you enjoy on holidays? Let me know in the comment section below.
違った。
開け方違う。永遠に開かないねこれ。開け方ここよ。いい？
はい。
いくよ。って言った。わかんない。いい匂い。いい匂い。ああ、おお、おいしい。すごい飲みやすい。あれ、はーってくんね。でもおいしい。本当に飲みやすい。すごい。おいしい。For my case, it's my family tradition to enjoy sake on New Year's Day. My dad used to open up his bottle before he passed away. He wasn't that talkative or likable person, but I remember his tipsy, cheerful face as he enjoyed sake. Great memory of mine. To be honest, I was a bit scared to try this sake box since I've been away from drinking alcohol ever since I got pregnant and breastfeeding over 4 years. But this Tipsy's trial sake box changed my mind. Out of the blue, I really enjoy them so much. Me and my husband opened 1 bottle and continued to enjoy testing out different variety of sake after kids were asleep. It was a fun night. If you're ever looking for a new drink to enjoy on your holidays, I highly recommend trying this authentic sake shipped from Japan. It comes with the 6 small different kinds of bottles, together with a beginner's guide. Please use my link and code MIWACooking for $20 off sake box on Tipsy's subscription plan. My code will expire by the end of December, so I hope you won't miss this opportunity. I'm always excited to share Japanese food culture. Sake is a big part of that. あとはきゅうりだけあとさ、見てこれトウモロコシ
かけたい。
いくよ
ポテト。
パラパラかけて落ちた
あとさ、
いいよ。
はいいくよ。ちょっと巻き方きったな。ちょっと巻き方汚くなっちゃった。
汚いな。
ちょっとイメージと違う。巻き方汚くなっちゃった。大きいお口で落ちないように。ああ、大きいお口。入れすぎるとこうなる。入れすぎ。やっちゃった。ごめんね。はい。そうちゃん行く？じゃあそれ飲んでんの？はい。どう？
こんだけが美味しい。
お醤油ちょっとつけるの忘れてた。ほら。
You take the nori seaweed and spread a very small amount of sushi rice, then just top whatever you like. I'm the type of person who prefers to add more vegetables than rice. Depending on your preference, you can add more rice or less. If you add too much, you won't be able to close the nori seaweed and result in making a mess, just like I did.
いただきます。おいしい。
I love this because it's easy to throw together and also everyone will get to choose whatever they want. It's so much fun to put the final pieces together as a whole family. That's it for today. Thank you very much for being with me this far. I hope you enjoyed the sake from Tipsy and happy holidays. Bye bye. またね。
できたピザ。
まあできたけどさ、私は
合う。本当に合う。本当に合うね。なんか普段本当お酒飲まないじゃん。でもすごい合うね、お寿司に。
In English, please.
I don't usually drink alcohol that much, but it really pairs with this sake so much with sushi. And you have 6 variety to choose. And this, how do you say this one? This card? What is this? Leaflet tells you which one to pair the best with. So this one says it's the fish or the meat or sashimi sushi. So you can pick whatever you want depending on what you are making.